you can see on the map.
Reloading? I'm almost dead, I'm almost dead.
Yeah, there's a king
Oh,
right.
the tunnel's me.
He should be in the third build, the three. The building with the garage door. Yeah, he is. He's in there.
He's on the roof.
Oh, okay. It looks like he's in the second story, isn't it?
I'm almost dead, I'm almost dead. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die!
I'm blocked.
Yeah, he's still in there.
Above you, James, behind you.
Above me!
Behind you.
Behind you, James.
He's coming to you. He just took a rocket launcher. Oh, I see him died.
I'm dead, I'm down, boys, I'm down.
There's another guy, I'm assassinating him.